Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Rakhi Teki, is my topic preservation of manuscripts in India. What is manuscripts? Manuscripts are original sources of human history available on various kinds of media like stones, clay, tablets, palm leaves, metal leaves, barks, animals' skin, cloth, paper, etc. The studies of manuscripts are often confined to matters written by hand on wood, paper, leather, wax sheets of metal, etc. Types of manuscripts: stones, palm leaves, clay, tablets, metal leaves, barks, papers, animal skin, clothes. Major forms of manuscripts in India. In India, writing was done on walls, footsteps, and pillars of temples, stone bricks, metal sheets, silk, and cotton cloths, wooden boards, terracotta boards, bamboo chips, birch bark, leaves of palm tree, etc. Three major types of manuscripts found in India are palm leaf manuscripts. Before the advent of paper, palm leaves were mostly used for writing in South Asia countries. A number of palm leaf manuscripts are available in various libraries in India. The leaf of palm trees were used as writing material because palm tree grow abundantly in India and South Asia countries. Birchbark manuscripts in India before the advent of paper. Sometimes in the 10th century, birchbark was used for writing purpose. The use of birchbark was continued till the Mughal period. Birchbark is composed by several layers, each of which is very thin, almost like a tissue paper. And third, paper manuscripts. It is difficult to point out the exact period when paper became known in India, but it is widely believed that it happened sometime in the 10th century or 11th century. Paper, after its introductions in India, soon became the most popular carrier for writing. The use of paper brought a great revolution in the art of writing. Material used for writing manuscripts. The general name of an instrument of writing was lekhani, which includes the stylus, pencil, brushes, reed and wooden pens. Crocquils are also formally used for writing very small characters for amulets, birds, but never for ordinary manuscripts. Different type of inks were used for writing: carbon ink, iron, or ordinary ink. Techniques of writing manuscripts. There are two main techniques of writing on palm leaf. By incising with pointed stylus. Incising with the stylus was common method of writing. By writing with pen or brush as on paper. Writing with a brush or pen, the writing was done in the same manner as on paper. Deterioration of manuscripts: physical, chemical, biological, human. Preservation of manuscripts: traditional techniques, modern techniques: cleaning and stain removal by dry cleaning and salt cleaning. Other care: caught with carefully wash hand before handle, make clean surface for use, manage temperature, keep away from insects. Shallow drawers: strong sunlights make frame for single documents such as maps, arts, etc. Thank you so much.